Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Profit. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Drip ecosystem related projects. And today is the update on my two personal projects. One, my forever project thing, Change 360, and then the community project as well, Crypto Ranch. So we'll start with Change 360. You guys, if you've been following me, know that this is, like I said, my forever project in which I'm integrating crypto, AI, and health and fitness. Health and fitness is definitely my passion, and as of the last 4 or 5 years, it's become holistic wellness. So I originally started out kind of traditional nutrition and general physique transformation, exercise, general exercise, like they call it, general population training. But after the pandemic, during the pandemic, I should say, is when I realized the need for holistic wellness. And also living out here in Asia, you understand how they treat the whole person concept. Whether or not you believe in Eastern medicine or not is neither here nor there, but there is more to your quote unquote self than just what you see in the mirror. So I think AI bridges that gap and allows me to tap into some of those areas, especially if you're like me and you are a traditional regular trainer. Then your skill set may not reach out into some of those arenas, and typically we used to have to tap into those people for those individual skill sets. That's where my other job of working with TaskHuman comes in, with people with those skill sets. But AI has bridged that gap and made it affordable for you to get help in those different areas. So anyway, this is the Facebook page. Had to pivot a bit. So actually ended up, my old page got into some issues with me being in Cambodia, my page posting and all that, US and running ads, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, Facebook will shut you down. So I had to create a new page, start all over, put all the content back out there. And now we are running ads again and promoting this page. So our audience is Indonesia and the Philippines, very similar to what we're doing with the Drip Marketing DAO, but targeting 2 different countries for this one to start onboarding. And this is a lot easier to sell. But as I mentioned, you guys, we have removed the crypto side due to the degens that currently exist in there and the onboarding that would have to take place. So we are primarily focusing on just leveraging individuals with good old fiat. And basically this is the website. So we're still working on that. One of my devs have had some personal issues, so they've been away for a while. So we haven't had any additional development on that, but the UI is all here for the initial side. And then when we start running ads to this, this is where we'll start onboarding and selling the services. So basically you'll have a subscription model, freemium they call it. So you'll be able to try it out for free. Then it'll be one of those things where if you, after 7 days, it'll charge you monthly, or you can just pay as you go. So it'll be real simple, giving workout and nutrition plans, as well as just general overall health and fitness advice. So as I said, for now, it's going to work with the Normie integration. But once we start generating capital from here, then we'll be able to reach out to this community that we built and start possibly finding a way to onboard them into crypto, because their rewards will show up on their dashboard. It'll just be points for now, and those points will be exchanged for services on the platform. But as we scale and get more money into the platform, we'll be able to show them how they can turn that into real cash. So it'll be an onboarding platform as well, and it'll still go to supporting Drip, but right now it's just fiat in, fiat out for us. Next up, we got the Crypto Ranch project. So you guys know I mentioned this. It's set for the last 2 weeks or so, just kind of dormant in the group. I just reached out to a lot of them recently, a couple of days earlier today, actually, to let them know about getting them on board. So I tagged literally everybody in this group. There's about 39 members in here. So content creators, devs, influencers, all that. And we're going to start moving forward. So I'm hoping that now that Triple D is on the way, or maybe by this video launched, depending on when you see it, that should be some positive sentiment, and then we can ride that wave and use this. As I mentioned to you guys before, it's just a community driven project to allow us to collect liquidity and collect community support all in one arena. So this starts as a NFT crowdfunding model, and with that, we're going to be staking. Still looking at staking in these 3 areas on the animal farm, because I do believe, again, long term, Forex will be supporting that. So this technically isn't the farm. When you look at the garden, that will be on Drip, but the dogs BUSD will be composed of 3 NFTs for tier 1, which will be the pups, the bones, and the leash. You'll need to get, I forgot the numbers, it's either 1 of each or 3 of each, and then you burn those to get to tier 2. Same thing for the pig pen. I know the pig pen price, pigs will appreciate, as well as the pig dividends will appreciate, because Forex is tied directly to that for his payouts. So this is a great time to build something on top of that. It's not attractive now, but I guarantee it will be. He's going to find a way to make that attractive, because again, that's his paycheck. So there will be 3 NFTs for that. You got to collect the mud, the pigsty, and the piglet. You will burn those, and then you'll end up with the tier 2 pig pen. And then last is the drip garden. So this is actually the most bullish as of right now. Drip garden consists of water, seeds, and soil. And then when you burn those 3, you'll get the drip garden tier 2. So remember, these are just areas to stake to allow for rewards to be paid out to the NFT holders on a weekly basis, as well as collect those dividends and build up a community treasury where we can build our own project and or just continue focusing on the existing ecosystem. So that's the main play for this, adding utility to the existing ecosystem, gamifying it so that people find it attractive to continue to add capital, and then being able to leverage the unification of the community with developers, analytic people, people from traditional finance, marketing backgrounds. So like, remember, the Drip Marketing DAO is part of this group, as well as my dev team from Change 360. So I've already combined quite a bit of people. And then when you look at the members in this group, you got other content creators, you got other devs from the analytic tools, all sorts of stuff. So this has a lot of potential. As we all know, in order to get something to work in DeFi crypto space, you need a lot of hype and community support. So that's what this group is all about. Then last, you have the 4 weather NFTs. These are kind of like wild cards. Holding one of these, depending on which NFT you have, will increase the chances for your lucky draw. And then the winter NFT is like a wild card, basically. But as you also see, we have every single one of the content creators that I found that I could source and add their little logos to the back of this to show, again, collaboration over competition. There are even some people in here that I may or may not agree with, but at the end of the day, put your biases aside, because my goal is to support the community, and I'm showing that proof right here by adding these people, paying homage to them and understanding what they've had to do to help grow the ecosystem and what they continue to do to put out content for the ecosystem, even if some of them are not putting out content, or again, if I don't agree with them, whatever, it doesn't matter. They put their bricks in at some stage, and this is just my way of showing recognition to that. So again, this is collaboration over competition, and that's why this is a community-driven project. So again, if you want to support it, you want to be a part of it, shoot me a message. This is currently a private Telegram. We will make a public one, but I made this private, so you have to get an invite, because I want to filter out just people that are just speculating. I need to get you to fill out a Google form, figure out where you want to support the project. Then we'll have a public one where we can get, the public community feedback on the project. So right now, this will be looking for people that are interested in supporting maybe a Telegram, as well as putting out content, managing the group, things of that nature, developers, even artists, all that stuff, as well as the people that will be controlling the multi-sig wallet. So I already put a post out in the group to get some volunteers, and then we'll have kind of a democratic vote where the people that volunteer themselves, going to have them present a case of why they would be a good person to have on that multi-sig, and then the community will vote who will be a part of that, and then we'll have like 5 to 7 members. So again, truly making this a community-owned, community-driven project. All I did was come up with the idea, but the goal is to have the community support it, and as many content creators and community members support it, so that we can actually move forward and build stuff for Drip. because as you see, we need more and more utility built for drip, and the quicker we can do so, the more successful this will be, as well as the more diverse that we can have. So having people with different ideas and skill sets, maybe there's game people, there's other finance people, there's analytic tool people, they all come up with different things that they think would be good for drip, and that's different people that we can market to. Again, that's why they're the marketing DAO, and being able to have these staking options on the farm give us actual funds to do marketing the proper way, as I've shown you with our Filipino financial freedom campaign, where we have like 20,000 members now on that page. So this has legs, just needs you guys support behind it. So drop me a message, hit me up on Telegram, hit me up on Twitter if you want to be a part of this. And that is it for Wednesday. Hope that provides a value. If it did, smash that HBO special brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. Until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.